Broken ladders cause injuries and fatalities, which can be avoided if you take the time to do a thorough inspection before use. It doesn't take long to look for missing, damaged, or loose components, but it can make all the difference. Be sure the ladder is in good working condition and free of significant spills, drips, or debris.
Look for grease, paint, and puncture hazards as well.
Confirm that your labels are in place and legible.
Finally, refer to manufacturer's instructions for inspection on all ladders.
Start at the base of the ladder. Be sure the foot pads are correctly attached and not worn, torn, or missing. Check the ladder rails for any wear, damage, or splits in the fiberglass. On all ladders, make sure the rungs are not bent or damaged and the connections are tight to the rails. On step ladders, check to see that your ladder can open and close smoothly, that your spreaders lock securely. Inspect your extension ladders with the same process. Check the shoes for damage and be sure they can move freely. Examine the rope of your ladder. Make sure that it's secured to the fly section of the ladder and that it's not frayed, worn, or torn in any way and moves easily through the pulley system. If something doesn't look right, it probably isn't. If you find yourself questioning any part of your ladder, don't use it.
Maintain your ladders according to the manufacturer's recommendation.
Any damaged ladders should be removed from use immediately and tagged "Do Not Use." Even if you're sentimental about that old ladder, throw it away if it can't be fixed. We mean destroy it. Safe ladder use can save your life. Hold yourself and your crew responsible for the safe selection, inspection, setup, and use of all ladders.
In Washington State, employers must use a competent person to train all employees that use ladders to recognize ladder hazards and the procedures to minimize these hazards. Training must include the proper construction, use, placement, and care in handling ladders, the maximum intended load capacities of ladders that are used. Training must also include the requirements of WAC 296-876 and how to find standards that relate to the work being done. Employees must be retrained as necessary to make sure they know and understand the content of the original training. It is best practice to document all safety training for employees. This video by itself does not meet all the requirements of ladder safety training, but can be used as a resource to supplement competent person training.